Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today for another episode of Pouring Coast to Coast, where I team up with my dear friends Britta Clayton and Michelle Galley, and we do a little train every other Friday. So we didn't have any particular challenge today, so I'm just using some lovely warm earth tones. I had a week where I'd been doing a lot of experimentation and it wasn't going well, so I needed something that I knew would work and would just feel comfortable to me. So with that, let's get down to the table and pour some paint. Let's talk about our colors. One of my favorite combos here, I have champagne gold. I think this is Rust-Oleum's. I have just soft body black from Artist Loft. I have burnt umber from Liquitex. Here I have burnt umber with a bunch of white added to it to lighten it. I have Acrylic's copper, my favorite copper. This is such a beautiful paint when it dries. And then my favorite gold, which is iridescent gold from Iridescent Deep. Okay.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Just wanted to give you guys a quick wet flyover. Oh my gosh, is this pretty? Look at that gold center. I can't wait to see how this dries because I think this is going to be stunning.
Golden, golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
And here we are with the wet results. I couldn't be happier with this. Look at those colors. That is going to dry gorgeously. And I love the composition. Stick around for the dry results. Here we are with the dried results, and I am just so happy with this. This is a prime example of why golden iridescent gold deep is my favorite gold, and why Acrylic's copper is my favorite copper. I think it's a warmer copper. It's not quite such an orangey undertone, which I love. And I love this alternative composition I did. Yeah, really happy with these. Okay, I hope you guys have a beautiful day.